Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is TЭZE. TЭZE. TЭZE is new, fresh, or recent. Let's see some phrases. New shoes, fresh bread, recent news. Let's see what do they sound like in Azerbaijani. TЭZE ayaqqabı. See, ayaqqabı is singular. We don't use shoes, pants as plural. We use them simply singular because when you say ayakkabılar, you're gonna mean multiple shoes. All right? New shoes, təzə ayaqqabı. Təzə çörək, fresh bread. When it's a food, it's gonna be fresh, obviously. Çörək is bread. Recent news, təzə xəbər. Again, news, we have it as singular, not plural. Let's use some sentences. Mən təzə ayaqqabı aldım. I bought new shoes. Now, you can also say təzə ayaqqabı aldım. You see how there is double g sound? What happens when you pronounce? The first one turns into k. Ayaqqabı, ayaqqabı. You don't say ayaqqabı. It sounds weird in Azerbaijani. For smooth pronunciation, you say ayaqqabı. K, g, k, g. All right? Mən, I, aldım, I bought. Now, you want to sound local? Təzə ayaqqabı aldım. You get ditched mən, I part. Let's use another sentence. Hər səhər bu dükana təzə çörək gəlir. Fresh bread, təzə çörək, comes, gəlir, to this store, bu dükana, dükkan, store, dükana, to. Bu dükana, to this store. Every morning, hər səhər. Hər səhər bu dükana təzə çörək gəlir. Remember the words ending with k? They turn into y for smoother pronunciation. Same for çörək. Hər səhər bu dükana təzə çörək gəlir. All right? That was today's word, təzə. Very important, very useful word. Let's see some uses. The smell of təzə coffee just marched into the room like it owns the place. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check this week. We're going to be talking about yummy stuff. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com when you come tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.